In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to watch VR videos on virtual desktop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to load videos in virtual reality mode on virtual desktop. So to do this, you will need to set up virtual desktop, which I assume most people have already done, and now you will be able to play any video. So if you have a local video file downloaded or you want to use a link, go over to the Videos tab. So when you open Virtual Desktop, you will find Videos below Streaming. So choose the Videos tab, and now all of the local files that can be accessed by Virtual Desktop should appear over here. And of course, you can choose any of them. Immediately upon selecting, they will start being rendered in VR. So it's as simple as choosing any of these local files. Like I said before, these are going to be downloaded and stored, so you can just open them. But if you want to load a link, this will be a little bit more difficult. Some users have reported the option to load a link, so for example from YouTube, and it plays directly using a URL. However, if you don't see the URL option somewhere on this page, then sadly you will not be able to do it. On newer versions, this option should be available, so as long as you paste the link from the video, so the video's URL, you will be able to play it without any issues. This feature to play videos in VR and 360 is going to be available for any version of Virtual Desktop, with more features available on the latest versions. You can see the frame rate at the bottom, video frame rate, bitrate, and as long as you choose any of the files that you have available, you will be able to do playback in VR. I hope I was able to help you on how to watch VR videos on Virtual Desktop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.